Sometimes everything looks perfect on the outside.
But inside, it feels like you're living someone else's life.
Pain always shows you where your life is out of alignment.
It hurts not because you are weak, but because your life is asking you to return to yourself.
I always
wanted to take photos.
This is not a random desire. It's the part of you that is still alive. At least I earn well. At least I travel. At least.
Come on, you know those at leasts don't help. You want a life that feels real.
Money is necessary, but it was never the point of living. The real purpose is doing what's yours. To feel, to breathe, to wake up not heavy, but interested in your own life. Every day you go against yourself, a little part of you goes quiet. And that quietness pulls in people who feel the same. Even the nicest vacations won't feel good if you're unhappy inside. But when you do what's truly yours, you come alive. And alive people find each other. Then even a simple walk in the park feels like joy. It's not money that makes life real. You make it real.
You see now, living someone else's life never brings peace.
So the only question now is, what do you do next? Start small. Start today.
Your first step is simple. Learn photography. Take a course and build a small portfolio. Just begin.
Don't quit yet. Practice on real people, take small paid shoots, and shift to your new path step by step.
Your first clients won't find you by accident. Show your work everywhere, Hodel, even if it feels too early. That's how your new life begins.
One step at a time, I'm learning. Okay, first application sent.
This is what happens when you step toward your real life.
Feels like I'm actually getting it.
See? You took a step, and the path opened for you.
Okay, this is it. My first real day. Looks like I'm really starting to understand what I'm doing.
Just like that. When you do what is truly yours, the world opens back to you.
Did you see that? Your work just surprised you before it surprised anyone else.
Crazy thing is, this already feels better than every team event I ever survived before.
Money keeps you alive. But only your own path makes life feel real.